G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now today we are going to take a look at how we can go about purchasing some Loop coin. Now the first thing we are going to need to do is buy Solana. So you can see on the screen here I am in a crypto exchange called Coinspot, but it could be any other exchange that you may want to use, for example Coinbase or any other exchange where you can buy Solana from. So you can see on the screen here I have got a total of $50 deposited in my Coinspot account, and the first thing we need to do is buy some Sol. So you can see on the screen here I'm just going to click buy Sol, and I've got $50. I'm just going to, you could enter in a different amount, but I am just going to use the entire balance here of $50, and I am going to go ahead and confirm this transaction. We can see that we've got a Coinspot fee. Most exchanges will have a fee of some sort, and then you can see the total, and you'll see how much Sol I will get after this transaction. We will then confirm this. We are then going to process this, and we are now ready to go. So I'm now going to go to inside of Coinspot and my exchange again, go to my Solana wallet. And you can see here that we've now got a little bit less Solana because it took out some fees. And now the next step is for us to send this Solana to our Solana wallet. And in our case, we're going to be taking a look and doing that through the Phantom wallet. Now, if you haven't got a Phantom wallet set up, then I will put a link to the video I have created to show you how to set up a Phantom wallet in the description of this video. And then you will be able to send this Solana to that Phantom wallet. So to send Solana to my Phantom wallet, I'm just going to click this send button here, and you can see that I've got a couple of options that to fill out. I've got the amount, I've got the Sol payment address, and then I do also have two-factor authentication set up on this account, so I will need to go through that process. So I'm going to send all available Sol here. You can see the amount that I'm going to send. Now the next option here is where I need to put my Sol payment address, and that's my Solana wallet address. So you can see I've got the Phantom wallet added as a browser extension in the browser. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to then grab the wallet address. So you can see here I've got Solana, and I've also got some Loop coin in this wallet too. So I'm going to click on Solana, and then I'm going to click on deposit. And you can see here, I can now copy this address. I've got a QR code, but in my case, I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to now paste that in the Sol payment address. I'm now going to save this address with a reference name. So let's call this Phantom Wallet. And then I'm going to open up on my mobile device, the Google Authenticator, and grab the code, which we will pop in there like so. And we will now send that across to the Phantom wallet. So in my case, as part of Coinspot, we do need to have another verification. So I need to go and check my email now and verify the link to complete this withdrawal. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So that has now all been confirmed, and now we will open up our Phantom wallet, and we should now see some extra Solana that has been sent to our Phantom wallet. Okay, let's now check our Phantom wallet, and we will see that we now have that Solana that has been sent to our wallet. Now the next step in the process is to convert or swap Solana to Solana Rally or S-Rally. Now we can do that by visiting this exchange. Now you'll see an option on the screen here that is SRLY swap, and that is the option that we are going to choose. But before we can do anything, we need to connect our wallet. So you can see this button here, connect wallet. I'm going to connect the Phantom wallet, and it's automatically connected like so. And the next step is to select the base coin. So I'm going to select Solana. You'll see that it automatically adds the balance because it's reading from the wallet. And then I'm going to select S-Rally. And I will then have the opportunity to enter in how much I want to swap in my case, I'm going to leave a little bit of Solana in my wallet just for any gas fees or anything like that. So I am going to say 0.5 Solana, and that's going to convert out to 318.5-ish S rally. So we are going to make that swap. We'll see we need to approve this transaction from the Phantom wallet, and you can see that we've got a few little options here. It tells me I'm going to I'm swapping 0.5 Sol for this amount of S rally, and here's the miniature network fee here. I'm going to approve that, and that's going to now swap that Sol for S rally. So you can see that that swap has now been successful. Now the next step is to swap S rally for Gary. So to do that, we're going to go up to swap. We're now going to select the base coin of Rally, and then the coin we're going to swap to is Gary. You can see that we've got a balance of 318 S rally, and again I'm going to actually, let's do the maximum amount of S rally. We're going to swap that into Gary. You can see that at the current rate, I'm going to get and swap that to 81.4186666 Gary. So let's go ahead and make that swap. Once again, the wallet's going to pop up and we need to approve that transaction, and that will then make that swap. So we can see that swap has now been successfully executed. I'm now just going to refresh this page, and then what we can do now is swap Gary and purchase our Loop coin. So if we now go and find the base coin of Gary, and then we want to then swap this for Loop, like so. You can see I've now got 81 Gary, and I'm going to swap all of that Gary into Loop, and you can see that I'm going to be purchasing 75.69065 Loop. So let's now make that swap. Again, one more time, let's approve this transaction, and that will make that swap from Gary to Loop. So that has now successfully executed as well. So now if we check our Phantom wallet, we can now see that we have got Loop here as well. We've got the Solana, which has got a reduced amount there because we swapped that out, and everything has gone through successfully. So there's the process. Nice and easy to start you on your way to purchasing Loop.